In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mesh warp in Affinity Photo. Mesh warp is a powerful way to bend, curve, and reshape parts of an image while keeping everything editable, so it's perfect for fitting graphics onto objects, nudging perspective, or adding subtle creative distortions without damaging your original. Start by opening Affinity Photo with the image you want to adjust visible on the canvas. At the top of the interface, click Pixel. This ensures you're in the right working mode for pixel-based edits and filters, which is exactly what Mesh Warp relies on. Next, head to the menu at the top, move to New Live Filter Layer, then hover to Distort. Using a live filter layer is key here. It applies the effect non-destructively, meaning the warp sits on its own layer and the underlying image remains untouched. You can fine-tune it later and even toggle its visibility to compare before and after as you work. Now choose Mesh Warp and adjust your image. You'll see a grid overlay across your canvas. Click and drag the points where the grid lines intersect to bend the image locally, and pull the grid lines themselves to create smooth, flowing curves. Start with broad moves first to set the overall shape, then refine with smaller, precise adjustments. If you need more control, increase the grid density so you have additional points to work with. Keep an eye on important edges. Anchoring the outer points can help prevent unwanted stretching along the borders. Zoom in for accuracy when aligning details and zoom out occasionally to make sure the overall form looks natural. If you're shaping a graphic to follow a surface, match the direction of the grid to the object's contours and perspective lines for a more convincing fit. When you're happy with the result, apply the warp. Because it's a live filter, your edit remains flexible so you can continue building your design with confidence, knowing you can revisit the mesh and refine it as your project evolves. That's how to mesh warp in Affinity Photo with clarity and control.